Hello there, beautiful soul. Today we're going to be doing a chakra meditation with affirmations. So we'll be going through each chakra and we'll be saying a positive affirmation to help bring balance and grounding, opening up our energy body, which will also help with our physical body. So go ahead and sit up nice and tall, whether that's on the floor or in a chair. You do want to be rooting through your feet and lifting through the crown of the head. And let's begin by closing the eyes and finding our breath. Inhaling peace and exhaling stress or tension. Let anything unwanted go. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out. Starting to lengthen the breath just a little bit. So inhaling a little deeper now. And on your exhales, lengthening the air that's coming out as well. And let's take one more breath here, and then we'll begin. And exhale. And keeping our eyes closed, we're going to be walking through, starting with our root chakra. So our root chakra, I want to think of ruby red color. And this is where we're grounding. This is at the base of our spine, all the way down at our seat. So I want you to feel grounded and secure. Breathing a red light into this area. And I want you to say either in your head or out loud, I am safe and supported. I am safe and supported. And taking one more breath here. And letting anything go that doesn't deserve space here. And coming up to our navel or our sacral chakra. So this is between the pubic bone and the navel. This is our discovering self, our self-discovery. So we want to think about an orange light in this area. And I want you to bring your focus here with the orange light and say, whether it's in your mind or out loud, I enjoy my body and life. I enjoy my body and life. Now take a deep breath here. Breathing into this area, exhaling anything that doesn't deserve space here. And moving on to our solar plexus. So coming up above the navel, but below the heart. So in the middle, our solar plexus. This is our power center or our self-nurturing center. We're going to envision a yellow light here. And I want you to breathe into this area, visualizing the yellow light. And I want you to say, I am powerful. I am powerful. And taking a breath here. And exhaling anything that you need to let go in this area. Any unwanted emotion, any negativity, let it go on the exhale. And then moving up to our heart chakra. Our heart chakra is the center of our chest, connecting our upper and our lower chakras. It helps to balance our physical and spiritual bodies. So we're going to think about a green light here in the center of our chest. And we're going to take a deep breath, envisioning that green light, and we're going to say, I am lovable and loving. I am lovable and loving. And now taking a deep breath into this area and exhaling anything that needs to be let go here on your exhale. Let it go. Breathe it out. And now when you're ready, we're going to come up to our throat chakra. This is where we speak our truth. So you want to think of a turquoise blue light here in the center of the neck or the throat. And we're going to inhale and visualize that turquoise blue light here. And we're going to say, I am truth. I am truth. Honoring our uniqueness, breathing in to this area, and exhaling and letting anything go, any words, any harshness, let it go. Exhale it out. And now moving up to our third eye or our Ajna chakra. This is where we find balance, intuition. This is right up at the brow, in the middle of the forehead, between the eyebrows. And I want you to visualize an indigo blue color in this area. And we're going to inhale here with the indigo blue light. And we're going to say, I trust my intuition. I trust my intuition. And now inhaling deeply into our third eye here. And exhaling, and on your exhale, letting anything go so that you can feel clear and calm and balanced. Now moving up to our crown chakra. Our crown chakra is right where you would place a crown on your head. So this helps us live with ease. This is where we connect to our higher self, our spiritual self, or whatever you believe. And I want you to visualize this area with a violet light, or sometimes people like to visualize a white light. So pick which one pops in your head. That's the color to go with. And I want you to inhale and breathe into the crown of your head with the color that you've chosen. And I want you to say, I have unlimited knowledge. I have unlimited knowledge. And now breathing into this crown chakra and exhaling and knowing that your chakras are completely balanced as they should be. And just visualize the word stabilize, 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 and just stabilizing all of those energy centers so that they can all work together for your highest good. And now I just want you to breathe. Be mindful of your breath, inhaling and exhaling, being completely still and grounded, rooted. Feeling grounded and powerful, self-nurturing our bodies, connecting our physical and spiritual bodies with our breath. We're going to take one final deep inhalation, deeper than you've inhaled this whole meditation. And when you exhale, I want you to exhale until you feel like you don't have any air left to exhale. And then breathing however it's comfortable. We're going to bring our hands heart center, prayer position. And we're going to dip the chin towards the chest. And we're going to bring our thumbs, still hands in prayer position. Thumbs will touch our third eye or our forehead. So we're bowing the head, connecting the thumbs to the forehead. And just being so grateful for taking this time to balance our bodies, allowing some clarity to come through. Thank you so much for practicing with me today. When you're ready to come out, you just blink your eyes open, take in a nice breath of gratitude, and enjoy your day or evening. Namaste.